Good morning to all. My name is Ranjith, second BZC, TTWRDC, Main Karinagar. Uh, Botany, third paper. Today's topic is wood structure. The wood is a productive of the secondary growth, composed of the secondary xylem elements. The heartwood heartwood has great commercial value in the gymnosperm. In the secondary xylem, sieve cells are present and sieve tubes are absent. In this, in those, in those, in those, libriform fibers are absent, and angiosperms, especially dicot sieve tubes, are present. Okay, the wood teak, 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 teak is teku, scientific name, Tectona grandis. Okay, Tectona grandis, family Verbinaceae. Verbinaceae. Vernacular names. Teak vernacular names. Teaku and Sagwan teak. Okay. The structure of the teak. Teak is a perennial plant. It grows soft and height the width of the stem. Okay, it is 2 to 4 meters. This teak height is growth 2 to 4 meters. The stem is branched. The stem is branched. Branched means branched. Okay, and the stem is branched and hairy. The stem is hairy, and bark is height and light purplish in color, and the wood is pale yellowish brown to golden brown wood. Simple leaves are present. And the simple leaves are present. The leaves are with opposite and oral phyllotaxy. Oral phyllotaxy. The leaves are big and oval shape. The flowers are small with panicle inflorescence. Okay, panicle inflorescence, and general characters of the wood. Sapwood is a distinction from hardwood. Okay, and it has great commercial value. It has great commercial value. The wood with oily feel strong and characteristically scented. The late wood is white in color. Okay, The late wood is white in color and color and it is not susceptible to the fungus, and it terminates. Saffwood is pale yellowish brown to golden brown in color. Okay, and the wood is the soft, and it takes the polish. The wood has ridges, and it porous and rough in structure. Late wood pores moderately large to small, mostly solitary, and in this short multiple radials. The wood has many annual rings are present. The wood is very hard. Okay, the teak wood is very hard, and it is uh, the pores in this early wood are large to very large, and it partially filled with tylosis. Okay, it partially filled with tylosis. Many uses are there in teak wood. The wood has a great commercial value. Okay, and in India it is used in the making of the railway bogies, and it uses houses for doors, windows, and uh, some pillars, etc. It is used in the making of the boats and ships, and some overs of this, the oar boats, the boat, and it is used in of the furniture. Example, chairs, tables, etc. Wooden, some furniture, house furniture, and interior decoration furniture also using this wood. This and it used agriculture implements, and it is extracted from the teak, and it used polishes, varnishes, and the flowers are used in the kidney related treatments, and it's teak wood as very useful and hardest wood in the whole woods. Next, rosewood. Scientific name is Delbergia Latifolia. Okay, Delbergia Latifolia, and uh, vernacular names: Sesam Jitegi Nallamanu, family Fabaceae. Okay, the Delbergia is an important forest product of in India. It is a perennial plant. And the stem is aerial erect and circular. Okay, aerial erect. The sapwood is distinct from the hardwood wood structure. The the sapwood distinct from the hardwood. It is a thin with pale yellowish color, Heartwood is a purplish brown to purple with a dark uses. It is used in the furniture's making, and it used in the making of the attractive wooden dolls, boxes, and mathematical instruments, cello printing, black printings. It is used in the block art and making of the railway bogies. It is done is are present uh, in the black dark. This is used in the printing and black printing. The leaves are used in the fodder, and it is growth has shade giving free in the coffee field. This is rosewood. The red sanders. Red sanders. Red sanders is the scientific name is Pterocarpus sandalinus. Vernacular names is Lal Chandan, Red Chandanam, Red Sanders. Family Fabaceae. Okay, family is Fabaceae. The wood structure. The bar present in the wood in the black brown in color with longitudinal transfers, and it is uh, ray and it is rectangular cracks, and it okay. It's the sapwood is distinct from the hardwood. Okay, and the sapwood to the orange, red, and carrot purple in color. This wood is this wood is orange and red, carrot purple in color. It pose are the medium 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 sized to small, few to the moderately, few to the solitary, and in the radial multiples. The wood, the heartwood is purplish black, and rays are present, thin and many present in the equidences uses of the this red sanders. It is used in the making of the agriculture implements, and it is construction of the houses. Okay, santaline, which it color in the obtained from the saddest of the wood. When this is dissolved in this alcohol or other in the gives of the attractive salmon pink color. From is this wood many attractive dolls and dairy cots some made in this wood, and it is used in this making of the wooden dolls, boxes, some photo frames. Okay, this is about uh, red sanders. Egisa. Next is Egisa. Scientific name is Pterocarpus marsupium. Vernacular name Egesa, Egi, Vengi, and Billu. family is Fabaceae. Okay, it is of the more commercial value, and it after teak is rosewood. This plant is becomes to the Indian Indian places, some Indian places, Nepal and Sri Lanka in India, Kerala, Karnataka, and some western gates has these plants are heavy number. Okay, structure. Pterocarpus is a perennial plant, and the stem is erect and cylindrical. The leaves are attractive, has usually compound leaves, and the flowers are small and show the pinnacle inflorescence. And the wood structure, bark is ash and it is thick and curves of the stem up to the inches. Wood is hard and very sharp wood. In the small hardwood is pale yellowish brown color with dark 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 streaks. Sieve tubes are distributed equally in the wood. Okay, the wood parenchyma cells narrow and way and narrow way, and the really it aliform to confluent. The wood has great commercial value and moderately hard and heavy, and can be polished. Hardwood, the hardwood is the filled with gummy substances, and when wet is changes to yellow color. Uses, this wood is used in the some door for doors, becomes windows, and etc. Some uses, and it is used in the uh, some agriculture implements, furniture, boats, carts, etc. Bark secretes a red color gummy resin substances. When it is injured, they secretes the gummy substances. This is known as K.N. Skins. Kina. This is resin has 75% of the thick acid. Tannic acid is present in the 75% tannic acid. This is used as a obtained distingent to use. This is used as it is used as a medicines from the diabetes and swelling, etc. etc. Some disease. నల్ల మన్ను నల్ల మడ్డి. This is the నల్ల మడ్డి. Scientific name is Terminalia tomentosa. Family is Cambriaceae, and vernacular names muddy, nalla muddy, and some some shine of the ocean. It is a meat most most of the these plants, uh, pernicular. This is the pernicular. This is a not pernicular plant. It is a most of the plants is prove prevalent plants. And this in this the for it is saying on the forest of the India, and it is a find to the Himalayas and South India, near to rocky areas. This is seen in this plants, trees areas of the forests. It grows it grows in the uh, clay soils. This plants is grows in the clay. Clay means clay soils. Okay, some అలాంటి ప్లేసెస్లో it grows in the groups. It grows in the groups, and the root is a taproot, and small plants grow even the shady areas. Okay, shady areas is present, and the bark is the gray color to black color with longitudinal streaks. Heartwood is walnut brown and to deep brown with darker streaks. Sapwood is a pinkish white to the pinkish gray. Pores are large and clearly visible to this eye, and scanty, solitary, or the short multiples are 2 to 3 open are filled with the tylosis. Okay, growth rings are present and delegated by the fine line, okay, of the parenchyma. Rays finds to very fine, visible in only the under the lines. Uses the wood is used in the construction of the houses. Okay, and carts. It is used as a household coal and good variety of the coal obtained. It is used in the railway bogies, railway sleepers. The bark is secretes in the black color pigment. This is used in the black printing, and the ash obtained from the burning of the bark is taken along with the bitter leaves. The next one is the neem. Neem tree is our Indian tree. It is good. It gives good oxygen, more of oxygen. Okay. The scientific name is Ajadi recta indica. Family is Meliaceae. Okay. Vernacular names are Vernacular names are Vepa, Vempi, uh, Vimpa, some Ajadi, Darknath name, some reasons of this name, some vernacular names are there. The name neem tree is a grey and ash has a wild plant. It in all regions of the India. It is a grown for the shade, and it is periplenial hard tree. It is hard tree. We have no about this tree. Wood structure. Wood structure is the bark is grey in color with the producer. Sapwood is grayish white. Heartwood is red color. Heartwood is a red color, and uh, growth rings are distinct pores are medium sized, and the portion of the more pores attract alternative of usually with the less number of the pores in this the outer portion of the ring. Pores are less in the number. The pores are more medium sized and up the distinct in the longitudinal section of the xylem. Rays are simple, many white in color. Okay, and rays are electable with the board or final. They some with elected with the globules, and wood is a very characteristic aroma. Uses many uses of the neem tree. Neem tree is a Ayurvedic also. Ayurvedic medicine using in the India. Neem tree is a in India. Neem tree is a regarded as a scared plant. Every part of the plant is useful to man, and the leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, bark, roots are useful this plant. In the use it the Ayurvedic and some Unani medicines with this plant. This plant is regarded as a herbal Indian doctor. This plant, this is a shade giving plant, so it is a planted along highways and parks, hospitals. The wood is a great commercial value. It is a used in the bulk cart making of the boats, agriculture implements. Lots of uses in this neem tree our country. And okay, first one is a this is the wood structure. First one is teak. Second one is red sanders, rosewood. Okay, third one is red sanders. Fourth one is egisa. Fifth one is Nallamaddi, and fifth one is neem tree. This is the wood overall of the wood structure. This is about the wood structure. Thank you. This is a wood structure. Maybe it is isn't it of and okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is good opportunity.